Khona manjalo isikoti South Africa umholi wakho nomqabulo wamaketa ngobupha no stop and go. Hey. Yaqamalazi TLP. South Africa nanti ibhakede. Nanti ibhakede elini. Uyokhumbula South Africa uthi ke senza udaba lwasemtuba KwaMsane. Sifike sayithenga ihost safaka ama sliding doors. Njengamanje into ebisisele umbhede sawu-order umbhede. Nakho la so-order khona kwaPrima Care nakho. KwaPrima awazi uveza konke ukuthi ngihlala lapho. Ungaveza ukuthi ngihlala lapho. KwaPrima Care. So-order last week. BBW Logistics sebawulethile ibona laba. Injabulo kuthina ke iyachichima ke South Africa ngothi uma senza izinto ngebhakede ngo10 rand senza umehluko empilweni zabantu. Nengixolelo bangifaka isiqoko nje angagezi nje ukugeza bangifonela manje bathi hey nakho manje umbhedo wakho sola. Hey my brother, figure this side man. Now what's cutting with you? Figure this side. Are you a courier guy?
Yes.
From BBW
Logistics?
Logistics?
Logistics, yes.
Thanks so much for quick response because we need this bed very urgently. It's just that we didn't know where to order. Then somebody else came to us and advised us to say, no, go to Prima Care. Thanks so much for a good work.
No, it's only a pleasure. And for a good cause, we will provide the best service always and forever for causes like this. Yeah. So yeah, it's very applaudable for what you do.
Yes.
And you know, honestly, I'm just a courier guy. I just came to deliver here, but from what you told me, it really touched my heart.
Thank you.
So yeah, I really applaud you for that. Whatever you do for people
South Africa
that are needy. Yeah.
Thanks so much. South Africa, you know the story. You know what's cutting. Okwethu nje kulula ukuthi uthatha u10 rand wakho ufake la bese siyenza. Uma ukude nathi. Ayanda Msweli Foundation, FNB check account 628 784 88339. I-account number yethu. Sizokwenza kwenzeke ama deliverables this week. Yabona nje this week isikhuluma nje ulimo lumnandi. Siyabonga kakhulu ke sazobuka ukuthi ke sizohambisa nini emtuba umbhede kwenzela ukuthi ke ingane ithole indawo engcono. Ungakhohlwa ke futhi ukuthi kulo leli sonto ingane lesegoli eyanukubeza umzali wayo babuwayo iyeza la izocheckwa la kwesinye seyibhedlela la udokotela wespecialist sise kwesinye isibhedlela ingane lelapha yamkwam escort nayo izofika la udokotela ayichecke sibonga ukuthi ingalekeleleka kuphi nje kuleli viki nje siyakwenza kwenzeke mhlawumbe into ezobuya isibambezeleke indaba yasemondlo kuyokubheka iprogress ukuthi sebehambe kangakanani kodwa nje bafowethu nodadewethu mina ukube ngiyasazi isingisi bengizothi honored ukusebenzela iSouth Africa my South Africa isizwe sethu izwe lethu abantu abesilo base South Africa I thank you.